Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to maximize, minimize, restore and close any windows from keyboard in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. First of all, I want to select one folder from the desktop. So I just press tab key on my keyboard and I just go to the desktop. Whenever I just go to the desktop, by arrow key, I can move to the any folder and just go to that folder and just press enter key on my keyboard. Okay, now my video folder or the folder I want to open it is open. Okay, now I want to go to my on-screen keyboard so everyone can see which key I am pressing. Okay, now I want to minimize this window, so just press Windows key, then now it is minimized. And I want to restore this minimize window, then that is very easy. Just press Windows key, Shift, and okay, now it is restored. Now I want to restore down this windows, so I just press Windows key and down arrow key. First time Windows key at here, then just press arrow key at here, then once again press Windows key and then arrow key at here. Now it is go to the restore down. Restore the same window once again. Windows Shift and M key is not work this time, so we are going to Alt and Tab. Just press Alt and Tab and make sure Alt is continuously press. Okay, now continuously press this Alt button. Just press Alt Tab and continuously press Alt button. Okay, now just use arrow key to select your window. I just selecting window that I want. I just go to the video and just go to the remove Alt button. Okay, or press Alt button, then this window is once again appear on your screen. To maximize the window, I just press the Windows key at here, then I just press the Windows key continuously and just play with these 4 arrow keys. Go to the here, then it is go to the right, up, then left, then bottom, then here, is go to the middle, then once again I press it, then it's go to the here, then once again I press the up arrow key, then it's go to the full screen. Okay, now I just want to close the window, so I just press ctrl, then spacebar and W, then window is closed. So guys, this is the simplest way to maximize, minimize, restore and close any windows from Windows keyboard in a Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.